I cook every day. I cook every day. I wake up early. I wake up early. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wear an apron. I wear an apron. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out vegetables. I take out vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I peel the onion. I peel the onion. I chop the onion. I chop the onion. I cut the tomatoes. I cut the tomatoes. I slice the garlic. I slice the garlic. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I heat the pan. I heat the pan. I add oil to the pan. I add oil to the pan. I fry the onion. I fry the onion. I add the spices. I add the spices. I stir the curry. I stir the curry. I add water to the pot. I add water to the pot. I cover the pot. I cover the pot. I wait for it to boil. I wait for it to boil. I check the salt. I check the salt. I taste the food. I taste the food. I add more salt. I add more salt. I lower the flame. I lower the flame. I cook the rice. I cook the rice. I drain the water. I drain the water. I place the plates. I place the plates. I set the table. I set the table. I bring the food out. I bring the food out. I serve the curry. I serve the curry. I serve the rice. I serve the rice. I call my family. Come here, everyone! I call my family. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I eat with my family. This is so good. Here, would you like some? I eat with my family. I enjoy the meal. I feel proud. I feel proud. I clean the dishes. I clean the dishes. I wipe the stove. I wipe the stove. I love cooking. I love cooking. Subscribe!